In 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the 5 steps to generate consistent leads so that you can build the business of your dreams. This marketing training is for only local service based businesses. Coach, consultants, lawyers, accountants. Basically, if you provide a service, this training is for you. This is not for products, not for drop shippers, not for affiliates. Step number one, you need to funnel hack your competition. You need to research what are their websites, what's the sales copy that they're using on those websites. You need to research what Facebook or Google ads that they're running, and then you need to figure out what is their introductory offer and price that they're offering to the market. I would never enter a market without doing relentless market research to know everything about my competition so I could come in and build a better offer so I could steal market share. Also, knowing your competition is going to save you months and thousands of dollars in ad costs so that you know exactly what offers work and not waste time guessing. Step number two is you don't have a website, you have a funnel. In 2024, people don't have the time to read a very lengthy sales page or on your website. What they want is just something at the very top that has your offer. For example, this is my competitor. Digital marketing is very competitive. Here's my competitor. They have an offer, they have a VSL, and then they have a opt-in form. That's it. Nothing else to scroll past. On the thank you page, they have a 10-minute video sales letter. That is how you sell in 2024. A video sales letter. Video is the number one consumed piece of content. People don't have time to read the forms. Your customer only has 5 seconds to read and find out value on your website. If they can't find that value in 5 seconds or within a video, they are gone and you lost a sale. Step number three is paid ads. You need to be running paid ads minimally $1,500 a month in paid ads just to start off, depending on how competitive your niche or industry is. And I highly recommend starting with Google Ads. There's very little sales. People get on the call, they're already looking for your service, and it's a very easy sell. And then you also have Facebook and Instagram. But these two combined are a great way to start getting sales within the next 72 hours. I would not be wasting my time with creating content. Content does not equal sales. Step number four, if you ever watched the movie Glengarry Glen Ross, he says always be, instead of closing, I would change it to always be testing. Test your conversions. You now have paid traffic that you're sending to your website. If you send 500 people to your website and only 20 people fill out the form, that is a 4% conversion rate. Your website, that's why you need to have a funnel tool, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, any of those, GoDaddy. If you have any of those website tools, it's losing you money guaranteed. You need to have a proper funnel tool, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, anyone like that. And you need to be testing your conversion score, because changing the image, changing the offer, changing the way your landing page is laid out, even adding a video sales will improve your conversion score. So every month you are testing your ads. Don't just put up a website and think you're done. No, put it up, get a score, and try and beat your score. Step number five, you need to be posting content daily. You also need to be the face of your company, or have someone be the face of your company on social media. You cannot have a faceless YouTube channel or any of the social media channels. It does not work. You are here to build a brand, and that's what's going to help you stand out. Personal brand is the most valuable asset right now to build, and you're going to do it on your social media channel. This is how you build social proof. You're going to answer FAQs, show testimonials, show case studies. This is where your customers are going to go to check you out before to do business, to see if you're trustworthy, if you're real and authentic, and to make sure you're not a scam. If you as a business owner are wasting time working in your marketing and that's taken away from your business, you need to hire an agency. Hi, I have a done for you marketing agency that will do everything that I just mentioned done for you so that you can focus on growing the business of your dreams. To get started, just click the link in the bio for a free marketing call. I'm Jonathan Acuna. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.